Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what? Today we are cooking ugali. How long does your cooking take? Unapika ugali kwa masaa mangapi? As for me, let's find out. Here is our timer. Okay, cooking is an art. Ugali is at 12 minutes right now, 12 minutes, and we will let it simmer, put it on a low heat. Tamu wa ugali ni kuacha kwa moto. And then we have this amazing, oh my god, this is like ice cream and a cherry on top. Oh my god, my goodness. If you don't eat this, you don't know what you're missing. So, catch you later. Let's see how long we will simmer the ugali. So far, we are at 25 minutes. Our stew is getting ready and our ugali is still simmering. So, let's see how it goes down. I'm so excited. Sukari. Finalizing everything. Tafadhali usiweke karoti kwa omena na usiweke viazi kwa omena. Ready to serve. So our ugali is finally done. It's 46 minutes. Well, nani kama huyu? And let's see. Are you ready? 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 Season finale. I'd like to share with you, but please subscribe. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely time. Ciao.